Here are 4 steps to build a Tableau portfolio. If we haven't met yet, my name is Luis, and I'm here to help you break into data analytics or improve your analytics skills. So why do you even want a portfolio? 1, it's going to show potential employers your Tableau skills and how you present data. 2, it helps you stand out from your competition if they don't have a portfolio or if they don't have a very good one. Okay, so step 1 is going to be to make a Tableau public profile. It kind of works like Instagram, where you're able to publish and share your dashboards, as well as follow other creators and see their work. Side note, if you don't have a Tableau license, you can download the free Tableau public tool to practice and publish dashboards. Check out the link in my bio for more info. For step 2, you're going to head over to workoutwednesday.com and check out their Tableau tab. Workout Wednesday is a free community challenge where you are given a dashboard to replicate to test your skills. I recommend you complete their Tableau essentials list for 12 dashboards you can add to your portfolio. If you get stuck, you can always download the completed workbook to see the complete solution. After you're done, publish your work to your Tableau public profile. For step 3, you're going to head over to Makeover Monday. Makeover Monday is a challenge similar to Workout Wednesday, except instead of telling you exactly the dashboard they want to see, you're given a data set and an original visualization, and you are tasked with exploring the data and presenting it in a different way. This challenge is completely free form and you can complete it however you want. There are over 200 data sets available, so you'll have plenty of material to work with. I recommend you do at least 10 of these and publish them to your profile. Now for step 4, you're going to create your own dashboards. If you follow steps 2 and 3, you'll have a profile with over 22 dashboards between Workout Wednesday and Makeover Monday content. Now it's time to build your own. It's completely up to you, but I recommend you work with data you find interesting or that you know a lot about, like an analysis of your favorite sports team over the years, or your own data, like your number of steps or your sleep over time. After you're done, publish your work on your profile. And that's it. Hopefully that gives you a better idea of how to build a Tableau portfolio. All the links in here are in my bio. Let me know if you have any questions and follow me for more data content.